In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left over here, hover over Add Content and click on Media. Now in here, you don't even have to go to the Music tab. You could just go and click on Upload from Device over here. And as you can see, it's going to allow you to search for your files. Just find the audio file you want to add. So I'm going to search for some audio and I'm just going to click on some random audio, which I have over here. For example, this one, and I'm going to click on Open. Now whenever you do this here, as you can see, it's going to basically start uploading it, and then here you can see here's my audio. I can go and enhance it if I want to. If there's any speech in there, I could go and add volume and of course kind of change the volume as well, or mute it, and I could go and fade it in out, or in and out, or of course not fade at all. Then you can simply click on this edit timeline button down here, and as you can see, your audio is going to be in here, and if I were now to play this, the audio would play in the back, and of course I can go and shorten it, lengthen it, or of course here there's some other functions as well, like duplicating, copying, pasting, etc. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.